if I'm better off alone, I'll breathe and embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, I'll breathe and embrace it on my own, on my own. I've had my heart broken, crushed, yet I survived it. Refresh love, I've been reminded that it's all about alignment. Most people break up, most people break up. But even when broke, life's what you make it. And if I'm better off alone.
Yeah, hi, this is Nitin Zawalkar. I'm from Pune, and I've been traveling to Bangalore, to Srijit, to emulate follicles, and I'm very satisfied with the work, with the precision work which he's done. It is really fantastic, and that's making me look different, feel different, and this was a fantastic experience with Srijit and with his team, and a good place to go for replication of hair follicles, and this is the perfect place, I would say. So traveling here, I'm completely satisfied. From Pune to Bangalore, fantastic.